to go to the diamond search screen, you can go either from the main menu, which is jewelry search, or you can go from the jewelry entry screen and you click here on search and it will take you to the search screen. Okay, so here we have all sorts of filters. You can select by style number, by SKU number, by group. For example, let's say I want to see all my bracelets and gemstone. It will show me my gemstone bracelet, this one. Connection here is a little bit slow today, I don't know why, but it is slow. So anyway, subcategory, if you have a subcategory, again, these are all filters that work together. The more you select, the narrower the focus. So by vendor, or by vendor style number, sell price from to, by customer, what I sold the customer, stone total weight or center stone. So I can select stone range from total weight or a center stone. Memo to your customer, and we have calendars here as well, and the purchase date when you bought it. Okay, if it's on hold, yes, no, any stone price, in-house locations, if you have in-house locations, if you select in-house locations. Sorting by is not so important. We have also 7 price levels. If you enter them, you can search by the price level. Okay, and these are the custom fields. So you can select by designer. Again, these are custom fields that you created yourself and your own drop down. And alright, so I'm just going to clear on top. You can clear the search and retrieve again. It'll go and bring everything again, and you will see the image of the item here. Okay, so to go to the item, you just double click on all the way to the left. Again, I said somehow the connection is slow here today, so it's taking a while for it to come in, but you just wait. I don't know. Okay. Alright, so it comes in here, and this is how you can come in and see the item off the search screen. Okay, if you close the screen, you come back to it. Okay, so if you want to, if you wish to change the order or the information that we have here, we have the setup search screen columns. Okay, and here anything that is checked is showing, right? Anything that's not checked obviously is not showing, and you can add more. In other words, if you want to add, for example, diamond, let's say gem weight. Okay, if you have gem weight and you say okay, it'll appear in the last place on the screen. So we have to refresh it, and we'll see gem weight over here. Now you see the gem weight is a little bit cut off. So what you can do is you can go back to that same field. You can change the label. In other words, you can type in whatever you want to change it to. And when you click here on the gem weight, you scroll down, you can create the column a little bit wider or narrower, right? So let's say wider here, and I say okay. By the way, these numbers here are the order that they appear. I mean, it's from the smallest, from the lowest number to the greatest number, and it's from left to right. So whatever number you put in, it's consecutively. It doesn't have to start with 1, 2, 3. It can start with 11, 13, 15, as long as one is greater than the other. Okay, so now I'm just gonna say okay here. saved it, and when I close, again, I need to refresh the screen, and you see now the gem weight is not completely there, but you see that it became wider, and you can go back and correct it again. Over here you can select to place these items on memo or invoice. When you click it, it'll go on the memo or in the invoice. You can put it on a job bag. This will go on in a different video to explain that. Okay, we can create tags here or print label. We can also email, right? So you can highlight. You want the email to your customer. You select the export name. We need to make an export for this, which I'll show you in, actually we did a previous video on how to set up export. And export basically selects the fields that you want to send in the email. Alright, so you can customize exports according to the information you want to send to your customer. If you want to send one with price, one without price, or with one with price too, one with description, one price. So you can select, you can create the export and select the export from here and send that to your customer. And you can send it as a PDF. Send with certificates if it has certificates. If jewelry has certificates with stones, diamonds, or gems, and set with images, so it'll go out like that. And you can select multiple stones, in other words, multiple gems. I'm saying this one, right? Let's close this. Let's say I want this. I highlight, hold the control button, and click all the way to the left here to select these three items. And you can, you can skip one, select this one, and when you email, it'll email all the items that were highlighted. Okay, so now the same thing when we have the reports. We can have inventory listings. You can basically explore these reports yourselves. So anything that's highlighted will be shown. I think the images here are very big, that's why it's taking a long time to load. But okay, so here is the report. Come on, report. Yeah, the images should not be huge. I know that these images are very large in this sample here. Okay, so here are the images. This doesn't have an image, so these are the images. And here, by the way, we can customize this report if you let us know how you want to view it. In other words, what fields you want to see on the report. That's what we do. So you can call us and tell us how you want the report, and that report could be with your cost, can be with your sale price, you can email it to your customer, etc. I think that pretty much covers the search screen. On the bottom here, you also have, you can view totals. Yeah, so you have 62 records, how many on hand, the value in the dollars, etc. It's just a glance. Okay, the other reports you can explore yourself. They're all based on the search results. Okay, see you in the next video.